guys, welcome back. Today I want to share how I cleaned my Louis Vuitton lock and key. I cleaned my key on one side earlier and I love the results, but as you can see, the lock has shown some wear on it. There's lots of shine, so I'm gonna shine it back up. All you really need is three things: paper napkin, cotton swabs, and brasso. I read that this thing is great. So let's get started. First, all I did was just wipe down the lock and I kind of give it a shake. I don't know if you have to or not, but I do so anyways. Then I'm just going to simply, oops, this guy's coming out. And all you gotta do is, I want to use a cotton swab just because I don't want to make a mess, and I really want to make sure that I get into the little cracks. So I hope you guys can see this. But I'll just clean it like this. Look at this already. Yuck. Let me see, does it smell? The smell is kind of strong, whew, but nothing not unbearable. Just clean this up. Okay. Let me take it to the other side. I really gotta get into the L and V logo here. Oh, look at this on both sides. I'm gonna wipe it down. See how it looks now. Oh my gosh, look at this. This is what it looks like now. Just one treatment. You can see I haven't done the back, but I am loving this. I can probably continue to wipe it down to give it a way nicer shine. But overall, I love this. I'm also going to use it on my LV bag. Let me show how I did that. Let's put this aside. So here's the PM. I'm going to just give it a quick, see right here, really dirty. Same thing, cotton swab, Mr. Brasso here. Just do a little bit, because I really don't want it to get on my bag. This one seems to be a little tougher, but it's coming out. Some people let it sit for about 5 minutes. I don't want to do that. It's my first time using it, and I don't know what the results I'm gonna get, but this is working well for now. Wow. Once again, really nice result. All right. So I definitely recommend this product. I mean, the results are pretty awesome, and I'll be using it furthermore.